Hi, little chef. I saw a TikTok of a simple way to poach an egg, so I'm gonna test it out. I filled up a measuring glass with some water and cracked an egg into it. They said to cook it for a minute, but it was definitely still raw, so I threw it on for another minute. Drained it and put it onto a plate. I do have to say the consistency was not superb, and it's really hard to control how the yolk is gonna come out. I personally would just poach the egg the correct way, or the way that I did it in my last video. Bye, little chef.